Read the following two statements. Information and communication technology is considered a subset of information technology IT. Second, the right to use a piece of software is termed as copyright. Which of the above statement is correct? Is or correct? Answer is neither one nor two. So ICT is not considered a subset of IT, and the right to use is not a piece of software. The right to use a piece of software is not termed as copyright. So neither one nor two. Next question. Which of the following correctly lists computer memory types from the highest to lowest speed? Answer is CPU registers, then cache memory, then main memory RAM, and finally secondary storage. And next question is with regard to a word processing software, the process of combining static information in a publication together with variable information in a data source to create one merged publication is called mail merge. The process of combining static information along with in a publication together with variable information in a data source to create one merged publication is mail merge. DVD technology uses an optical media to store the digital data. DVD is an acronym for Digital Versatile Disc, DVD. Assertion: sustainable development is critical to well-being of human society. Reason: environmentally sound policies do not harm the environment or deplete the natural resources. Choose the correct code. So answer is both A and R are correct, but R is not the correct explanation of A. So sustainable development is critical to well-being of human society is correct. Reason also is correct, that environmentally sound policies do not harm the environment or deplete the natural resources. But R is not the correct explanation of A.